Welcome to this in-depth tutorial on Enzyme Finance, a revolutionary decentralized platform for asset management. Enzyme Finance allows users to seamlessly manage, invest, and optimize their crypto portfolios in a secure, blockchain-driven environment. In this video, we'll explore its key features, interface, and benefits. Let's begin by navigating to the Enzyme Finance homepage. The interface is clean, showcasing options for creating and managing crypto portfolios. You can choose to either build your own portfolio or invest in existing ones managed by experienced users. Enzyme's platform integrates advanced tools for portfolio tracking, performance analysis, and risk assessment, ensuring transparency and efficiency for users. One of Enzyme Finance's standout features is its accessibility. You can connect your wallet easily by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Supported wallets include MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and others. Once connected, you gain access to a suite of investment tools, allowing you to allocate funds across various DeFi opportunities. To start building a portfolio, head to the Create Portfolio section. Here, you can define the assets to include, set performance goals, and even open your portfolio for others to invest in. This is a unique way to not only grow your own assets, but also earn management fees as others invest in your strategies. If you prefer to invest in pre-existing portfolios, explore the Discover tab. This section showcases a variety of portfolios with details such as asset allocation, performance metrics, and risk levels. You can sort by performance, investment size, or strategy type to find the perfect match for your investment goals. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The security of funds is paramount on Enzyme Finance. All transactions are transparent, and portfolio activities are recorded on the blockchain, ensuring trust and reliability. Additionally, the platform supports integrations with top DeFi protocols, enabling a diverse array of investment options. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, Enzyme Finance offers a flexible and innovative approach to decentralized finance. Start your journey in DeFi and unlock the potential of blockchain-based asset management today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more guides on crypto tools and DeFi platforms.